the real truth about top paying jobs for college students. Now, you can't compare your salaries as a fresh college student with the salaries of top C level executives. It is unfair. But you can definitely compare it with your peers. How can you land in a top paying job? Being a corporate talent acquisition professional, I have hired for a lot of roles and I also researched a lot. I realized that top paying jobs for freshers include in various domains, including accounting to your finance to your marketing, strategy, sales, technology, IT, and quite a few. But the fact is that it keeps changing. Now, let's deep dive into the reality. If you look back in the 1900s, where people were living in huts, and if you were a civil engineer or someone who could build or construct homes and people around building materials, those kind of businesses flourished. Later, people started realizing that they wanted to commute, and those days it was only bullock carts or your horse carts. And people were, or somebody with a skill in mechanical or automobile engineering were on high demand. That's when even your Wright brothers started flying. And further down is your electrical engineering, where we have the power, electricity, lights, refrigerators, various other home appliances, and these jobs were all coming on high demand. Further down, if you look, there was electronics, communication, mobile phones, pagers. I still remember pagers during those days. And now we are talking about data. There is more on your software, of course, your hardware, your infrastructure, cloud computing, and then various other roles on the software, which includes your AI, machine learning, cybersecurity, cloud computing, digital twin, RPA, you name a lot of more evolving technologies and skills. Now, in this evolving skills, there are still a few roles which is considered very high demanding based on the future of jobs. You can check with your parents or grandparents on how they used to live back in those era. The real truth is that jobs were existing in those days, jobs still exist today. Only the skill sets have changed. How do you choose a right job, or how do you choose a right skill aligned for the industry's demand, and in turn helping you future proof your career? So that's something we help a lot of students in choosing the right career path according to the future of jobs. We cover this during our future of jobs workshop. If you like this video helpful and insightful, follow us, subscribe to our channel, and I look forward to helping you more.